Hello everyone, welcome to Points of Pharma. Today we will discuss cardamom. More accurately, the topic is small cardamom. It is called Choti Elaichi and is commonly referred as Queen of Spices due to pleasant aroma and delicious taste. As we are discussing with a small cardamom, naturally a question comes, is there any spice under the name large cardamom? The answer is yes, and we will see the differences between a small cardamom and large cardamom. Here we will begin with biological source. In biological source, we will see 3 points: plant part, botanical name and family. The plant part in case of cardamom are fruits and seed. Actually, the medicinally important part is seed, but it is directed to keep the seed in fruit until required for use. Botanical name. The botanical name of cardamom plant is Elateria cardamomum. It belongs to the family Gingiberaceae. Morphology or visual identification. The cardamom fruit are ovoid or oblong and more or less three-sided with round angles. The fruits are 1 to 2 cm long. It is greenish to pale buff or yellowish in color. The fruit has aromatic odor and it has pleasant aromatic taste. Additional visual identification. The apex of fruit is more or less blunt or sometimes contains short beak-like structure. The base of fruit is round and shows remains of stalk. The surface is almost smooth or slightly longitudinal striations. From botanical view, the fruit of cardamom is called capsule. Capsule means dry, dehiscent fruit having one or more chamber called loculi. In case of cardamom, the capsule is trilocular. It means the fruit has internally 3 chambers. Each chamber has a double row of seeds. Now some features of cardamom seeds. In each loculus or chamber, seeds are tightly pressed together and usually separate in single mass. The seeds are more or less angular. The seeds are about 4 mm long and 3 mm broad. Color. The fully ripe seeds are reddish brown in color, whereas the unripe seeds are much paler in color. The seeds have a strong aromatic odor and taste. They have aromatic, pungent and slightly bitter taste. Chemical constituent. Cardamom is an aromatic herb. The aroma is due to presence of volatile oil. The standard drug should have volatile oil content not less than 4%. The major constituents of volatile oil are 1,8-cineol, alpha-terpineal acetate and alpha-terpineol. 1,8-cineol, it is a monoterpene oxide having empirical formula C10H18O. Cardamom also has other constituents like starch, fixed oil and calcium oxalate. Uses. Cardamom is valued as aromatic, carminative, digestive, stimulant and stomachic. It is also used as flavoring agent and as a spice. Another cardamom called large cardamom is also used as a spice. Now differences between small cardamom and large cardamom. First of all, biological source. A small cardamom is obtained from the plant Elateria cardamomum of family Gingiberaceae. Large cardamom is obtained from the plant Amomum sabotabulum of same family Gingiberaceae. Their fruit are small and large as their name indicate. A small cardamom is also called green cardamom as their fruit are green or pale buff or yellowish in color. Large cardamom is called black cardamom and their fruit are grayish brown to dark red brown in color. One more point, In case of small cardamom, both seed and fruit are used, whereas in case of large cardamom, only seeds are used. Both have a aromatic taste. The small cardamom has more pleasant aromatic taste, while in case of small cardamom, oil content in seed should not be less than 4% as per pharmacopoeial standard, whereas uh, for, for large cardamom the limit is not less than 1%. Volatile oil from small cardamom has cineol content 20 to 40%. In case of large cardamom, it is 65 to 80%. Terpenyl acetate is 30 to 40% in the oil of small cardamom. In case of large cardamom, it is traces to 5%. Both cardamom are used as a spice as per one's need. In general, a small cardamom is called true cardamom and can complement both sweet and savory dishes, whereas the large cardamom is called greater cardamom and is preferred for savory dishes. One more point, both a small cardamom and large cardamom has medicinal values.